Colours Guesthouse is a Machiya Inn located on a residential side street near Kyoto Station. A machiya is a traditional Japanese townhouse, and staying in one provides an opportunity to connect with the deep history and culture of Kyoto. Toru opened this guest house in 2014, and he carefully renovated the building to create 2 guest rooms, each adjacent to a small sunlit garden and an outdoor patio area where guests are invited to have a barbecue with Toru's friends from the neighborhood. In recent decades, many machiya houses have been torn down to make way for modern buildings, and Toru wanted to preserve this traditional house and the original design elements to give visitors an authentic Japanese accommodation experience. The name Colours is a reference to the distinct seasons and the constantly changing aesthetics of Kyoto, and Toru loves introducing his guests to the festivals and activities enjoyed in different times of the year. If interested, he would happily join his guests to go drink at the local izakayas or explore the nearby sightseeing spots. Toru is eagerly waiting for people to be able to visit Japan again and is looking forward to providing a memorable local experience of Kyoto. Come experience the comfort and warmth of an old-fashioned Japanese home at Colours Guesthouse.